Are you packing your bag?
Yes, it is finally 5 o'clock.
Work is over for today.
I am so happy to go home.
Are you taking the bus today?
No, I am going to walk home.
Walking is a great way to relax.
Yes, the weather is very nice this evening.
How long does it take you to walk home?
It usually takes about 30 minutes.
I am taking the subway tonight.
The subway must be very crowded right now.
Yes, rush hour is always terrible.
What is the first thing you do when you get home?
I take off my shoes and wash my hands.
I do the exact same thing.
Then I change into my comfortable clothes.
I always wear sweatpants in the evening.
Sweats are the best clothes for relaxing.
Do you cook dinner every night?
I try to cook dinner 4 times a week.
What are you cooking tonight?
I am making spaghetti with tomato sauce.
Spaghetti is very easy and fast to make.
Yes, it only takes 20 minutes.
I am too lazy to cook tonight.
Are you going to order food?
Yes, I think I will order a pizza.
A hot pizza sounds very delicious.
I will eat half today and half tomorrow.
Leftover pizza is great for lunch.
Do you eat dinner at the dining table?
No, I usually eat on the sofa.
Do you watch television while you eat?
Yes, I always watch the evening news.
I don't like watching the news. It is too sad.
What do you watch on TV?
I like to watch funny sitcoms or movies.
Comedies are good for a tired brain.
Yes, they make me laugh and forget about work.
Do you have a lot of chores to do tonight?
I have to do my laundry tonight.
Doing laundry takes a long time.
The washing machine does all the hard work.
But you still have to fold the clothes.
Folding clothes is very boring.
I listen to music when I fold my clothes.
That is a good idea to pass the time.
I need to wash the dishes after dinner.
I hate washing pots and pans.
Me too. They are very difficult to clean.
Do you have a dishwasher?
No, I have to wash everything by hand.
I use a dishwasher for all my plates.
You are very lucky to have one.
It saves me at least 30 minutes every night.
What do you do after you finish your chores?
I usually take my dog for a short walk.
Is it safe to walk in your neighborhood at night?
Yes, there are many streetlights.
My neighborhood is very dark after 8 o'clock.
Does your dog like walking in the dark?
He loves exploring and smelling the trees.
I don't have a pet, so I stay inside.
Do you read books in the evening?
Yes, reading is my favorite evening activity.
Do you read paper books or ebooks?
I prefer reading real paper books.
I like the smell of new book pages.
Exactly. I read for an hour every night.
What kind of books do you read?
I am reading a very exciting mystery novel right now.
I usually read biographies about famous people.
That sounds very interesting and educational.
Sometimes I read magazines instead of books.
Magazines are good because the articles are short.
Do you ever call your family in the evening?
Yes, I call my mother every Tuesday and Thursday.
How long do you talk on the phone?
We usually talk for about 20 minutes.
That is a nice way to stay connected.
I call my best friend on the weekends.
I text my friends all evening.
Texting is fast, but hearing a voice is better.
I agree. Phone calls feel more personal.
Do you exercise in the evening?
Sometimes I do yoga in my living room.
Yoga is very good for stretching your back.
Yes, my back hurts after sitting in the office all day.
I go for a run in the park on Mondays and Wednesdays.
Running at night is much cooler than during the day.
Yes, the summer nights are perfect for running.
After exercising, you must be very sweaty.
I always take a hot shower right after my run.
A hot shower relaxes the muscles.
I love using my lavender shower gel.
Lavender is a very calming smell.
It helps me prepare for sleep.
Do you wash your hair at night?
Yes, I wash and dry my hair before bed.
I prefer taking a shower in the morning to wake up.
I take a quick shower in the morning, too.
2 showers a day. You are very clean.
I like feeling fresh all the time.
What time do you start getting ready for bed?
I start preparing around 10 o'clock.
What is your bedtime routine?
First, I brush my teeth for 2 minutes.
I use an electric toothbrush. It is very fast.
Then I wash my face with warm water.
Do you put on face cream?
Yes, I use a night cream every single night.
Skincare is very important before sleeping.
After that, I turn off all the bright lights.
Bright lights make it hard to fall asleep.
I only leave a small lamp on near my bed.
Do you check your emails before sleeping?
Never. Looking at my phone keeps me awake.
The blue light from the screen is very bad.
I know, so I put my phone on silent mode.
I still check my social media sometimes in bed.
You should stop doing that.
I know, it's a bad habit. I will try to stop.
Try reading a book instead. It makes you sleepy.
That is a great suggestion. What time do you actually go to sleep?
I usually turn off the lamp at 11:30.
I try to be asleep by 11 o'clock.
8 hours of sleep is the goal.
Yes, if I don't sleep well, I am grumpy the next day.
Do you ever have trouble falling asleep?
Sometimes, if I drink coffee too late in the afternoon.
I stop drinking coffee after 2 p.m.
If I can't sleep, I drink warm milk.
Warm milk with honey is very soothing.
Yes, my grandmother taught me that trick.
Do you set your alarm clock before you sleep?
Yes, I double-check my alarm every night.
I set 3 different alarms on my phone.
3 alarms? You really don't want to be late. I am a very heavy sleeper.
I wake up easily when I hear a small noise.
My bedroom is very noisy because I live near a busy street.
Do you wear earplugs when you sleep?
Yes, earplugs help me sleep through the traffic noise.
My bedroom is very quiet. I live on a high floor.
That must be very peaceful.
Yes, I can even hear the wind sometimes.
Do you sleep with the window open?
In the summer, yes, I like fresh air.
In the winter, I close the window tightly.
And use a very thick blanket.
A heavy blanket makes me feel secure.
I completely agree. It is very cozy.
Well, it's time for us to leave the office now.
The cleaning staff is already here.
Did you turn off your computer?
Yes, my computer is off and my desk is clean.
I still need to organize my papers.
Take your time. I will wait for you by the door.
I'm almost done, just putting my pen away.
Have a wonderful evening at home.
Thank you. Enjoy your pizza and your book.
I definitely will. See you tomorrow morning.
See you tomorrow. Don't stay up too late.
I promise I will go to bed at 11.
Okay, I'm ready to go. Let's walk to the elevator.
After you.
Have a safe walk home.
Have a safe subway ride.
Good night.
Good night.